This is a poem about Somaliland. In the land of Somaliland where culture blooms, harmony and peace like sweet perfumes. From her gated streets to Berbera shore, traditions and unity forevermore. Nomads under the vast starlit sky, stories of old as time drifts by. Camels gentle stride, a timeless grace. In Somaliland's heart, a tranquil place. Diverse heritage, a tapestry so bright. Colours of unity shining in the light. From dance to song, a joyful sound. In Somaliland, peace is found. In every smile, in every hand. Somaliland's culture, a peaceful land. May harmony and love forever reign. In Somaliland, a timeless refrain. In Somaliland, democracy blooms bright. A peaceful land, a beacon of light. Elected fair voices heard. Harmony rings like a soothing bird. In unity, the nation's song. In Somaliland, where the hearts belong. In democracy, embrace a guiding star, shining brightly near and far. In Somaliland, the democracy's grace, a nation's where peace finds its place. Through ballots cast and voices strong, harmony thrives where all belong. In this land where dreams take flight, Somaliland shines with a peaceful might, a beacon of hope, a land so fair.